Okay, butter ganache now. So we're gonna do this around the other way. I've got my butter here. Now ratio wise, like I said, math's not my thing, but I do 500 grams of milk chocolate to 200 grams of butter. So it's not 2 to 1, it's not 3 to 1, it's somewhere in the middle. Okay, so first off, I've weighed out my 200 grams of butter, and we're gonna put that into our bowl and pop that in the microwave. 500 grams. And then what we're gonna do is just let that chocolate sit in the butter for a minute. Think of the chocolate like me. I'm ginger, and if I go outside in the sun, I burn and I sweat, and it's really not nice, and I don't look very nice, and I'm very unhappy. I'm like a piece of chocolate. I don't know where my brain goes. Okay, right, so I'm quite happy for the moment, so I'm gonna pop this in, but this time it's only going to be going in for about 20 to 30 seconds. It's already warm and it's already doing its thing. Okay, so initially it comes out and it doesn't look that great. But a little stir, and then again, same as last time, leave it. Let it just come accustomed to that temperature that's in there. And you will, I know it seems like a lot of a process in and out and in and out in the microwave, but do you know this is so much easier than when it splits on you and you're trying to fix it? So this is always the way to go. I have learnt this so many times. So we're just gonna wait. Okay. Now I'm happy to stir it, and the same as before. It looks as if it's struggling, but the more you go there, it will just come together. Kind of goes a bit thicker and tougher, and then it all breaks through. It's not done yet, but we just want to make sure that we've mixed in the best that we possibly can for the moment. Right, and this is going to go back in again, and I'm going to put this in for 20 seconds. Got a couple of the Callebaut up the side, so I'm just going to push those in, and we're just going to leave that alone again for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then give it a stir. Right, time to stir. Here we go. It's breaking through there. And it's so glossy. It does have a different look than the cream ganache. So that's completely done. We're going to do the very same thing. We're just going to cover it over with the cling film again and pop it over on the side. So I'm going to put this on a medium speed, and then I'm just going to let you watch it go. You can see how quickly that has done it. So I'm just going to scrape around the outside of the bowl, just so that we get all of it in. Look at that. So completely whipped. Right. So we're going to pipe this now. I've got a 2D nozzle. Some into a piping bag. Okay, and I've just got some dummy cupcakes here. And there we have whipped ganache. And it looks like buttercream. Right. So, let's do a rosette. And there you go. And this will dry more solid because it is ganache. It is going to dry solid, so you're going to get that harder effect of the chocolate. But that's how you whip. and then you can use this on top. If somebody doesn't like buttercream and they prefer to have something else, that's how you do it with butter ganache.